curve. The soul of the Brahman bull captured in brass and leather. The texture is promising, but we must check for internal stresses before casting. Keep it steady. Watch the temperature on the mold. Using 5-axis CNC milling, we are carving deep muscular striations into the brass arc, achieving tolerances of 0.02 of a millimeter.
After all this time, the brass arc is finally complete.
The grain looks tight. Good moisture retention on this lot.
Rich pigment saturates the fibrous grain, enhancing the natural wrinkles into this wet-looking luster.
The automated edge painting machine traces the perimeter with black resin. Then the hot air blower fuses the paint, creating a flexible, glassy, wear-resistant rim.
We use the adjustable groover to establish a uniform depth, then brush away the loose fibers, leaving a perfect channel for the saddle stitch. A gentle mist of water and glycerin deeply conditions the fibers. We then buff it softly with a microfiber cloth to achieve this perfect matte finish.
It's 0.3 millimeters off. How is that even possible?
It's catching again, Master. I can't get the clearance right. Show me.
We use the 1 millimeter tungsten to strike the arc on the brass joint. The vacuum heat sealing process begins. Uniform pressure and 120-degree heat permanently set the adhesive layer, ensuring zero warping.
The final step is the application of warm carnauba wax, enhancing the natural chatoyance of the leather and the golden brass patina.
Flatness is critical. Absolutely zero deviation here. And the surface finish is flawless, ready for assembly.
First, we heat the area to precisely 6 degrees Celsius. This opens the fibers, making the leather pliable.
Tighten that clamp just a bit more.
Okay, the shadows are gone. How's the reflection?
That's the shot right there.
Looks good. The foam is perfectly seated.
Yes, the measurements were precise. Hand me the lid.
Another perfect build.
Secured tight, the journey begins.
Static. Temperature holding steady. Repeat, all systems green. Static.
He's almost in. Looks good.
Okay, let's get the base secured once he's stopped.
Confirmed intact.
They really captured the essence of the form. Yeah. It's quite striking against the leather.